Welcome back. Today we are with Diana. It is a summer day. The day is warm and calm. Diana is outside. She is ready to have fun. Let's watch and listen. Story 7, Diana rides a bike and roller skates. Diana is in the park. It is a warm summer day. The air is fresh. The sun is soft. The sky is blue. The park is green. The park is calm. The park is quiet. Diana feels good. Diana feels relaxed. She feels safe. She is ready for fun. She smiles softly. Diana has a bike. The bike is small. The bike is light. The bike is clean. The bike is safe. The bike is ready. Diana likes her bike. She feels happy. Diana puts on her helmet. She checks the helmet. She is careful. She feels safe. She is ready. She gets on the bike. She starts to ride. Diana rides slowly. She rides on the path. The path is long. The path is smooth. The path is quiet. The path is clean. Diana feels happy. She looks around. She sees tall trees. She sees green grass. She sees small flowers. She sees the blue sky. The sky is very clear. Diana rides more. She moves her legs. She holds the bike. She keeps balance. She feels calm. She feels strong. Diana stops. She gets off the bike. She sits on a bench. She rests a little. She drinks some water. She feels good again. Now Diana has roller skates. The skates are nice. The skates are new. The skates are clean. The skates are safe. Diana likes the skates. She smiles again. She puts on the skates. She stands up slowly. She takes a deep breath. She is careful. She feels ready. She starts to move. Diana skates slowly. She skates in the park. She moves her feet. She keeps balance. She feels proud. She feels confident. Diana skates and smiles. She feels free. She enjoys the day. The day is warm. The day is sunny. The day is nice. Diana is happy. Story 8, Diana plays at the playground. Diana is in the park. It is a warm summer day. The sun is soft. The air is fresh. The sky is blue. White clouds move slowly. The park is green. The grass looks nice. The park is calm. The park is quiet. Diana feels good. Diana feels happy. She feels relaxed. She smiles softly. She walks in the park. She walks slowly. She walks to the playground. She feels excited. She feels safe. Diana is at the playground. The playground is clean. The playground is safe. The playground looks nice. There is a swing. There is a slide. There is space to play. There is space to walk. Diana looks around. She sees the playground. She sees bright colors. She feels curious. She feels calm. She is ready to play. She smiles again. She takes a deep breath. She walks slowly. She feels safe. Diana goes to the swing. She sits on the swing. She holds the chains. She holds them tight. She moves slowly. The swing goes back. The swing goes forward. The swing moves softly. Diana smiles. She feels happy. She feels free. She enjoys the moment. She enjoys the swing. The air feels nice. The day feels calm. Diana feels relaxed. She stays quiet. Diana gets off the swing. She stands up slowly. She walks to the slide. She climbs the steps. She holds the railing. She is careful. She sits at the top. She looks down. She feels ready. She slides down slowly. She reaches the ground. She stands on her feet. She laughs softly. She feels proud. She feels strong. She feels confident. She stands up. She smiles again. Diana walks around. She walks on the ground. She sees other children. She hears soft sounds. She hears quiet voices. The playground feels friendly. The playground feels safe. Diana feels comfortable. She takes a deep breath. She feels calm. She enjoys the park. She enjoys the playground. She enjoys the day. The day is warm. The day is sunny. The day is bright. The day is nice. Diana is happy. Story 9, Diana swims in the summer pool. It is summer. The day is warm. The sun is soft. The sky is blue. The air feels fresh. Diana is outside. She is at the pool. The pool is clean. The pool is calm. The water looks blue. The water looks clear. Diana feels good. She feels happy. She feels excited. She smiles softly. Diana walks to the pool. She walks slowly. She feels safe. She looks at the water. The water feels nice. The water feels warm. Diana takes off her shoes. She sits near the pool. She puts her feet in the water. The water feels good. She smiles again. She takes a deep breath. She is ready. Diana goes into the pool. She moves slowly. She feels calm. She feels relaxed. Diana swims slowly. She moves her arms. She moves her legs. She stays in the water. She feels free. She feels light. The water is quiet. The pool is calm. Diana enjoys the water. She enjoys the moment. She enjoys the summer day. She floats in the water. She looks at the sky. The clouds move slowly. The sun feels warm. Diana smiles. She feels happy. She feels peaceful. Diana swims a little more. She moves gently. She stays close. She feels safe. She stops swimming. She holds the side of the pool. She rests a little. She takes a deep breath. She feels good again. Diana comes out of the pool. She sits near the water. She dries her arms. She dries her legs. She feels comfortable. She enjoys the sun. She enjoys the pool. She enjoys the day. The day is warm. The day is sunny. The day is nice. Diana is happy. The story is over. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story. Diana is happy. See you next time.